Welcome to Jason versus the Moon. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you some awesome pictures I took, and it was all, gosh, when was it? Daytime skies, July? Yeah, July of this year. Okay. So this is like 1 month after I was looking up. So let's take a look. And this was taken with a cell phone camera. I was working one day staining a deck and just kind of looked up in the sky and I saw this real weird oval, man. In fact, there's two of them, but I couldn't get them both in my in frame because of how large they were in the sky. But really strange. Let's see. Let me actually get out of this and go ahead and just show you all of the same ones here. Here's another picture of that same oval. Maybe, no, looks like the exact same picture, pretty much. There's a good one. That's weird, guys. That's so weird. So I don't know, man. That was just, gosh, that was so cool to see. Well, here, let me just go back to. Let me just scroll through. I just want to try to keep on the same one. But that, look at that. Look at that. Just two big, like, ovals in the sky. Don't know what would cause that. And there's a good one at the bottom there. Yeah, so I mean, that was cool for sure. Let's get out of that. Yeah, we'll move on to these. This is just real weird looking cloud formations during a sunset. I mean, just look at that. Definitely there was chemtrailing going on that day. There's just no doubt about that. I remember this month, July was hard with chemtrails, real hard. And it's been lightening up. I haven't been noticing too many planes spraying in my area. Of course, I am around San Antonio, so we are a military city, so we see all kinds of stuff. There's a good one. Well, I shouldn't say good one. That's just more. This is actually a video, but there's the moon during the daytime. There's a picture. Ah, gosh, here we go, man. Check this shit out, right? Okay, so I'm working same place I stained the deck with the ovals, right? Completely different day. Completely different day. In fact, let's take a look. Am I even gonna go through? You know what? Yeah, let's do it. It's not gonna take that long. July 12th. Okay, and then where were we at right now? 17th. So this is okay, so 5 days later, but same job. Look at that, man. Oh, we'll get to that, buddy. Let's go ahead and watch a little bit of this. Yeah, let's just go back and, I mean, just look at this. You got, that's amazing. Simply amazing. And that was after really heavy chemtrailing. I mean heavy. There was planes all day that day just flying around, so it was crazy. Let's go ahead and hit this one up while we're here.
July 13th?
Look at this line. Crazy.
Yeah, it actually cuts the...
Boom. Like I'm getting ready to say, it cuts the clouds out and leaves a blue streak. Let me rewind just a little bit.
It actually cuts the clouds out. I know, that's what I'm taking video of. It's crazy, right?
It is crazy, guys. Look, I mean, look at this. And then it goes into going negative space, taking out the clouds. Anyway, unbelievable stuff. I'm gonna give myself a time check real quick. Okay. This is during the sunset. Just kind of cool looking, I guess. I don't really know what the purpose was of those pictures. Oh, that's cool, man. Okay. Yeah, so here you can see the sun is completely blocked by these really wispy clouds. Dude, I'm telling you, this month was just crazy with chemtrails. You can say what you want, but I mean there's a difference with what clouds look like and what chemtrail clouds look like. Oh, here we go. Gosh, I'm not gonna be able to play all this, guys, but you can see there's already a line right there above the trees, and it's gonna come right over here on the other side of the sun. I'm 99% sure.
We got chemtrail.
See it? There we go. Let's pause that. You can see the line coming through the trees, and then it goes right over the sun. Okay. Oh, goodness. Alright. Right here. Just look to the right of the sun.
Chemtrail across the sun.
And you can see it going behind the clouds, of course, but you can still see the line. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward because I know that there is a little bit. Oh yeah, wait, where there? Let's go back. Okay, now watch this. I found another one.
Oh, look at this, another
Boom.
one.
Let's pause that. Right here between these clouds, you can see this line.
Another chemtrail. So it makes me really believe that these aren't natural clouds.
One second. Yeah, sorry about this, guys. It's just, it happens.
Okay.
Okay, we're back. Here we go. You see it right
Got
here.
another one. And then look, I don't know if this will pick it up. There's something way up there.
Yeah, it's gonna pick it up. I'm pretty sure the line comes back through the.
Oh look, there it is right up there.
Let's see, we can't find it. Yep. Look at this. Right? Look right in this little area and you can see it. Yep. It's hard to see, guys, but it's there.
Should be able to get it coming
Excuse
out
me.
right about over here. It's all
This is,
whiskey out.
This is also, just so you know, this is a GoPro Hero 3 I'm using on this video.
I mean, they're doing it above the clouds on a cloudy day. I mean, obviously trying to hide it. Not knowing. Oh, look, there it is. See? There it is. Yeah, man, that's not coincidence.
Oh, look at this. Yeah, look over here. Just pay attention to all the wispy clouds you got right here. You can see above this cloud you got some real wispy stuff the sun's bouncing its light off of. But look at this. Look at this. Real cool, man. Oh, it's not cool if they're spraying chemicals, but you understand. There we go. There's a nice shot of it. Look at that. Just as the clouds are moving, you can see that it's starting to show more and more. These guys missed their mark if they thought that they were so far above the clouds we couldn't see this shit, yet here I am filming it while it's happening.
You can hear the engines, but you
That's enough on that one. Okay, and then let's move on after that video. We'll move on to... this is the one I was just playing, right? Yep, that's right. Okay. Let me move forward. Sorry, I got lost here a little bit. There's just a cool picture. Let me go back one. There's just a cool picture of the sun behind some clouds, and then you can see... Whoa. You can see, look at this. These like little ripples in the clouds. In fact, let's go ahead and zoom in. You see what I mean? These lines in the clouds. That's pretty wild stuff, man. Anyway. Really wild stuff. Let's see what this is about.
Okay, this is July 3rd, 2019. So were the other two videos I first filmed about chemtrails. This one's faint, but look, if you look, you can see it right there. Right there, too much clouds. They're spraying all day. Really hope the video picks that up.
I want to say it's right here. Let's kind of zoom in and... not gonna let me zoom in. Alright, guess that's only on pictures. But you can see all the wispiness. I mean, look at the sun. It's like, it's so hazy. So hazy. Whoops, sorry about that. Alright, let's go ahead and play the rest of that. Not that it's anything super
really
badass.
hope the video picks that up.
Looks like it's right here.
But
that's my guess.
right there. Can't see nothing, and then it's already dissipating. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, look at that. Really cool. Anyway. More clouds. Why does it keep backing me up? There's just a neat little thing. We were at a race. Got me a plane.
Oh, I watch this. Big ones. I've seen the big ones. Oh, that's great. I've seen the big That's okay, It's coming.
Yeah, just wanted to show that. That was cool over there at a race. And, okay, this is really getting me. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, so if you look right here, I got another plane one day. Low flying. Anyway, super cool. Let's see, little wisps in the sky, huh? Okay, yeah, so here's the deck I was staining. And this is the same place where I found the other two, the two ovals in the sky and the orb around the sun. And then there's just this weird little wisp just out there. I was like, what is that? And it just stayed there. So super weird. More the sun orb. Just some pictures, but look, guys, look how wispy it is. That's not clouds. Look at that. Look at the color. The darker, lighter. I mean, it's just insane, dude. Look at all these wisps. I mean, it's crazy, dude. Little lines and wisps and stuff. And look what it's doing to the sun, man. Absolutely insane. That's crazy, guys. Back to the ovals, and gosh, okay. Here we go. This is the races that I was at. This is kind Gosh, sorry, let me show you just real quick. This video, this is when I was pulling.
13th?
This is when we pulled up to the races. This was the sky. So probably about 30 minutes. Maybe about 30 minutes after that, this is what the sky looked like. Just had different colored clouds, little bitty, just, I don't know. Little bitty little spots of clouds and stuff. It just, I don't know, man. The sky just turned real strange. And here's another just real strange looking cloud formation one day. I mean, look at these. Once again, we got those little ripples. Got these ripples. Now, some people say that it could be manipulating the weather, and these are like radio waves or frequencies or something like that that interact with the, I guess, the metal particles that are in the spray. You know, so that's a possibility. I mean, I'll have to look more into that. This is just observation right now. Some speculation, because I obviously can't prove that some of these planes are spraying, but you can see the after effects are not just, you know, it's not contrails. Contrails, the planes are, the engines are creating such heat in a colder atmosphere, it's creating condensation in the atmosphere. But that also, that condensation, everything, it goes away like almost immediately. Whereas chemtrails just, they dissipate but stay in the air and create this real wispy, hazy look to the sky, this unnatural look. So anyway, guys, that's what I wanted to show you today. I mean, yeah, this is from July, but it's still relevant. It's still cool, you know, and it's a good thing for me to be showing. My telescope, I've not been able to get out for the past few days. My Starfinder died, so I had to order a new one. So I just wanted to show you guys some stuff from a few months ago. But anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate it.